Good morning students. Welcome to Science video class. We are learning Chapter 9 Living Organism Characteristics and Habitat. In this lesson, we have completed two parts. Now, this is third part. Okay. In first part, I said about what is meant by organism, habitat, adaptation and acclimatization. In second part, I explained about different types of habitat and adaptation. In last video, I started with terrestrial habitat adaptation and I completed only about adaptation of desert plants and desert animals. Today, I am going to explain about the adaptation of plants and animals which lives on mountains. Generally, the climatic condition in mountains are very cold and windy. Snowfall is common during winters. Some animals and plants adapted to live in that particular place. The trees grow in that place have cone-shaped and sloping branches and also have needle-like leaves. These adaptations help the rainwater and snow to slide off easily. Examples: pine, deodar, fir are some examples of trees which lives in mountain area. Understood children? The adaptation of mountain plants. The plants lives in mountain. So the leaves are needle in shape and it is cone shaped so that the snow and rainfall slopes easily through the branches. Okay. Next I am going to say about animals which lives in mountain area. The animals in these regions are usually white or light colored. This helps them to camouflage with surroundings. Do you know what is meant by camouflage? Already you learnt in your lower class. Let me explain once again. The animal able to change its color and the color merges with the surrounding, which helps the animal to protect from predators. Understood children? Can you name some animals living in very cold places? Yes, yak, snow leopard, penguin, polar bear are some examples. In yak, a thick coat of fur protects the animal from cold. The yak uses its hooves and horns to break the ice and graze on the grass. A snow leopard has a thick layer of fur on its body, including feet and toes, to protect it from the cold. In polar bear, there is a thick layer of fur on the body and the padded feet help it to walk on snow. Understood the adaptation of yak, snow leopard and polar bear? Yak, snow leopard and polar bear are having thick fur on its body which protect them from severe cold. Okay, some animals go for winter sleep to escape from severe cold conditions during winter. Such conditions are called hibernation. Hibernation means, in simple words, winter sleep of animals. To avoid severe cold, these animals just sleep during winter months. Okay, some animals sleep during summer season to escape from hot weather. Such conditions are called estivation. So hibernation, estivation, these are all some adaptation of animals which lives in cold places and hot places. Understood? Next about adaptation of animals and plants which lives on grasslands and forest. The grasslands cover nearly 1/4 of the earth land. Okay, a few shrubs and trees are also seen. Grasslands have hot, dry summers with low water availability. Tropical grasslands are hot throughout the year, whereas temperate grasslands are hot in summer and very cold in winters. A large number of animals are found in this forest. Lion and deer are two animals which are found both in grasslands and forest. Lion obtains its food by killing other smaller animals like deer. Lion is a carnivore. I hope you know the meaning of carnivore. Carnivore means flesh-eating animals, right? Deer is a herbivore. Herbivore means plant-eating animal. Lion is a predator and deer is its prey. A predator means the animal will hunt other animal for food is called predator. The prey is the food of the animal. Understood the meaning of predator and prey? In this case, lion is a predator and deer is the prey. Can you give some examples of predator and prey? Yes, lion and zebra. Here lion is a predator, zebra is a prey. Fox and rabbit. Fox is the predator, rabbit is the prey. Eagle and small birds. Eagle is a predator, small birds are prey. Understood the meaning of predator and prey? Okay. These predators and prey develop many adaptations. Okay, I explain you. Adaptation in lion. Eyes of lion face forward, that is, eyes are in the front of the face. This allows the animal to judge distance correctly. It has sharp teeth and long claws on its front legs. This helps to catch the prey. Its light brown color helps it to hide in dry grasslands where it hunts for its prey. So I have said 3 adaptation for lion. Eyes will be in the front, okay, to judge the long distance correctly, and it has sharp teeth and long claws in the front legs which helps to catch prey, and the light color helps to hide in dry grasslands. Okay, it merge with the surrounding. The body of the lion merge with the grassland surrounding, brown color. Okay. So these are all the adaptation of lion. Next about adaptation in deer. Body color of the deer merge with the surrounding, thus avoiding being caught by predators. It has long ears to hear and recognize the movement of predators. Eyes are present on the side of the head so that it can look in all directions. This helps to escape from danger. It can run very fast. This helps the deer to run away from the predators. Understood, children? Body color merge with the surroundings, and it has long ears to hear and recognize the movement, and eyes are present on the side to see all the direction, and it can run very fast. So these are all the adaptation of deer. So here we have completed terrestrial habitat adaptation. Okay, in the last video I said about biotic and abiotic components, right? Now we are going to see how these abiotic components help in the organism's growth. You can know already the abiotic components are soil, air, water, rocks, etc. Right? So in seed germination, these abiotic factors helps a lot. Okay, I'll do and show activity to you now. Take small quantity of green gram, okay, little sand and 1 glass of water. Take green gram in bowl, okay, soak it in water for 1 night. We need to remove the water in the next day morning. Okay, so remove water from green gram. Now take some sand and put inside the bowl. Okay, sprinkle water on the sand. Sprinkle little water on the sand. Now put the soaked green gram in the sand. Can you see? Yes. Now we are going to keep out so that the seed gets the abiotic components like air, heat, water, which helps the seed to germinate. Okay? Understood? Okay, now see the next day you can see a white thread-like structure in green gram. Yes, the seed started its growth. Understood, children, how abiotic components helps biotic component? Okay, these abiotic components like soil, air, water, sunlight helps in seed germination. In last video, so far I explained you about organism, habitat, types of habitat, adaptation of terrestrial habitat. Okay, in adaptation, I explained about adaptation of desert plants and animals, adaptation of plants and animals lives in mountains, adaptation of animals lives in grasslands. Okay, in next video, I'll explain about aquatic habitats and characteristics of living organism, and read page number 82 to 84 in science textbook. Write answer for this question in your science homework note. Use any 180 pages ruled notebook for science homework. Okay, so 4 questions I have given. The first question, name the 2 components of a habitat. Give examples. So you know the 2 components of habitat, right? In the last video I explained the 2 components, and now also before activity I explained the 2 components. Okay, so name the 2 components and give example for that. The next question, what is meant by predator and a prey? So read your book, you can find answer. Otherwise, once again listen the video, you will get the answer for this question. Then list the adaptations in line as a predator. Already it's there in your textbook. Read it, you can find easily. 4 adaptations are there, you can write. Otherwise, once again listen to the video, you will get the answer. Then list the adaptation in deer as a prey. This also I explained you, it's there in your book. Read and find it out. Okay, so you can find all these answers in your book. So read your book, find answer and write in your own word in your science homework note. Once school reopens, I'll correct it. Okay, so do your homework. From today onwards, we are going to give homework. So read, take your book, okay, find answer and start doing your schoolwork regularly. Prepare well for science online test on 26. Okay, coming Friday, you are having online test on chapter 2, components of food. So revise that lesson and get ready for your test. Bye.